Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on unblocking people in COD Mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To view a list of people who you've blocked in the past, from the main dashboard of COD Mobile, tap the Friends icon at the top right of the screen. Now select Friends from the left menu. In the Friends screen, select Blacklisted from the bottom left. This shows everyone you've blocked. You can tap the Unblock button next to any of their names to easily unblock them. Once you unblock them, they'll be able to message you and invite you to games again.